Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Jamila and welcome back to my laboratory. Today we're going to use our embroidery machine to customize some tote bags. I have everything I use listed in the description box below. And if you like this video, you learned something new, give your girl a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Alright y'all, to start off, we're just going to go ahead over to Etsy. I'm on Etsy.com. And I got my design from the shop Creative Appliques 1. I will have this linked in the description box for you guys, but I just wanted to show you as well. So I'm just gonna go, first of all, she has all like the cutest stuff. Like I love all her designs. So I'm just gonna go over here to the search and type in pencil. And this is the one that I'm using today. So I'm using the pencil alphabet letters from Creative Appliques. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead. Of course you already purchased it and downloaded it to my computer, and then I transferred it to my USB. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and hoop our project and put it on the machine. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and hoop our bag, and I'm using my 5x7 hoop, and my design is just a little bit smaller than that. Now this bag is really nice, sturdy, and it's kind of thick, so I'm just using some lightweight tearaway stabilizer, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there and hoop everything. Make sure it's nice and tight. Once I have it hooped, we're just going to go ahead and pop it onto the machine, making sure that the bottom of the bag is underneath the sewing arm and that the straps of the bag are out of the way. Now let's go ahead and upload our design, and we're going to hit File. Then we're going to hit the USB button, and then I'm going to scroll through and search for my design. Once I've found my design, just going to go ahead and hit it, and we're going to hit the machine button on the right side of the screen. So that sends it to the machine from the USB. So now that it's saved to the machine memory, we'll just hit the machine button next to the USB, hit enter, and now we have it on our screen. To select our hoop, we're just going to hit the design set, and you see I'm using my C hoop. We're going to hit OK, and then press escape to go back, making sure everything is on needle number 1. And then I'm just going to go ahead and enter my colors. First, I'm going to change this from automatic to automatic manual so that my machine will stop after every thread change so that I can put my applique fabric down. Then I'm just going to go ahead and enter the colors that I'll be using for this project. And of course, everything I used for this project, including where I got the design from, will be linked in the description box of this video. Okay, so you guys can go ahead and have the tools and resources to remake this bag as well. Once we have everything entered, we'll go ahead and hit OK and put our machine into embroidery mode. And now I'm just going to go ahead and trace out my design. Now, sometimes when you trace your design, it may seem like it's kind of close to the edge and may hit the hoop. Well, you can hit this button right here, the one with the heart inside the hoop, and it'll stitch out exactly it'll trace exactly how it would stitch out, and you'll be able to get a better idea if it's too close to the edges or not. Okay, so I'm just going ahead, trace my design, put it in, trying to get it in the middle of the bag as possible. And I'm just going to go ahead and hit start. And when you're doing applique, the first stitch is the placement stitch. Then you have your tack down stitch. Now, y'all, don't be like me. Y'all see how I have my fingers all in the way? Don't do that. I really shouldn't be doing that because I actually did get a needle stuck in my hand one time. But obviously, I didn't learn my lesson because I still be having my hand in this machine, okay? But I'm just going to go ahead and take my curved scissors and cut off the extra fabric and cut as close to the thread as possible without actually cutting the thread. For this project, I'm using the Caesar Twinkle HTV, which I will have linked in the description box for you guys. And that's one thing I love about applique is that you can use any kind of fabric or material. As far as my machine goes, my machine can stitch 1,000 stitches a minute. This project is like 7,100 and some odd stitches. So I want to say it took me about maybe 8 or 9 minutes to do this bag, just because I had my machine running at 900. That's just like the speed I usually like to keep it out. So I was able to do both. I was able to do like 2 bags in under 20 minutes. Now imagine if I was selling these bags for $30 each and I was able to do 6 bags in an hour. That would be like $180. And I know some people payments for this machine, of course it always varies or whatnot, but it can be like as low as like $140. So don't let the price of this machine deter you, because obviously if I just did 6 bags, I could make my monthly payment on this machine within 1 hour. And this is just a small project, okay? You guys can totally do bigger and better things. So once everything is all done, I'm just going to go ahead and tear away the tear away stabilizer and cut off any loose ends that I may have. And y'all, look at the inside of that stitching. Looks just as good as the front. I love it. Oh my God. And here is the final result, you guys. Okay, everything will be linked in the description box. As always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.